TikTok has quickly become a leading platform for creators, offering numerous ways to make money. In 2025, TikTok continues to evolve, presenting fresh opportunities. Here are the best ways to make money. Brand partnerships and sponsored content. Brands pay influencers to promote products. As you grow your followers, companies will approach you. TikTok Creator Fund. TikTok pays creators based on video engagement. It's easier to connect with brands in the creator marketplace. Live gifts and donations. Creators receive gifts during live streams, convertible to real money. Engaging live sessions help increase donations. Affiliate marketing. Use TikTok's shopping features to promote products and earn commissions for sales made through your link. Selling products or services. TikTok's integration with platforms like Shopify allows creators to sell products directly. Not necessarily. TikTok values engagement and creativity over follower count. Even small followings can attract brand deals. The Creator Fund pays based on video performance. Join by being 18 plus, having 10,000 followers and 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. During live streams, creators receive virtual gifts from viewers, converted into money. Engage your audience to maximize earnings. Yes, you can sell digital products like courses, share affiliate links, or offer services like consulting through your TikTok. TikTok's shopping feature allows creators to sell products directly in their videos, whether your own or promoting others' goods. TikTok offers a variety of ways to make money in 2025. Engage with your audience and turn your TikTok presence into income.